Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this wavy hair, and it only takes 10 minutes to do, which is start off by sectioning the hair and then grabbing a small section, wrapping it around the wand and leaving it for 8 to 10 seconds. The second that the hair comes off with the wand, wrap it around your fingers and bring it up to your head and pin. We still want it to be hot when we're doing this. The more pieces that you curl, the curlier your hair is going to be. So if you don't want it that curly, then use bigger sections. Once you finish all your sections, then go into your makeup now and then allow your hair to turn to room temperature, and then you'll get the maximum amount of hold in your curl. Once your makeup is completed, now it's time to unpin your curls and see how it looks. I always put my head upside down and shake out my curls this way. As you can see, it's super curly, so you can either leave it like this, or you have the option to grab a hairbrush and brush it out for more of a softer wave. After brushing, I like to go in with a hair serum. Here I'm using Moroccan oil. It smells so good. And I'm just smoothing out my ends and weighing down the curls a little bit more. So super quick and easy, and you are all done. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and follow my